Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching food names in Sotho. Libisi. Libisi. Libisi means milk. Bohobe. Bohobe. Bohobe means bread. Dijo tsa hoseng. Dijo tsa hoseng. Dijo tsa hoseng means breakfast. Dijo tsa motshehare. Dijo tsa motshehare. Dijo tsa motshehare means lunch. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.